So the first thing I want to show you is how to use the lasso tool, okay? Everybody open up their toolbar and locate the lasso tool. You also want to, so you've selected the lasso tool, you need to add a new layer. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Click on the next layer. Zoom in on the lips. Now, I'm going to trace around the shape of the lips without stopping till I meet where I started. What happens is it creates these marching ants. You guys see the marching ants? All right. Okay, so now I'm going to get the pink. I'm going to make it a light, soft pink. And then I'm going to go to my paint can. It looks like it's got paint spilling out of it. And it's on my toolbar. I'm going to click inside of the lips. The more you do that, the darker pink it'll get. The more saturated and full. Okay? Now, when you're done, you go up here to this circle with the square in it. You're going to hit remove selection area. That allows you to do a different section of your artwork. Okay, another thing that I haven't talked to you about yet is backgrounds. Now, I'm going to back out of here and show you the one I was working on yesterday. Okay, so if you look, what I've done to this is I've gone in, if you can see inside of her eyes, I put a cityscape. It's like a reflection of a city, okay? And I put clothing on her. I did not draw this clothing. I'm gonna show you how you can do something like that. I'm gonna back out of there and go to my other. Okay, now I'm going to, I want you guys to look at this circle in the top right. This circle has pre-loaded backgrounds and patterns of clothing. So if you click on one, there's lots of different options. Let's do this one. I feel like I got mine from here. This is kind of similar. So I've selected a pattern. I'm going to expand the pattern. I'm going to hit the check. And then I'm going to bring it underneath my layers. I'm going to drag it behind my layers. Okay? Now, in the meantime, I want to get rid of this. This is the paper from when we took the picture. So I'm going to get my eraser tool. I'm going to make it fairly large. And what you're going to see is when I erase, what is it revealing?
The background.
The background, the layer that is behind or underneath my picture. I had to move the background layer to underneath my imported picture. Do you see that? And I like to get really close and zoom in on those areas so I can be as accurate as possible. Isn't that cool? A few more.